Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. So make it a great night, folks. This quote is by Beatrice Potter. Believe there's a great power silently working all things for good. Behave yourself and never mind the rest. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow down 181, NASDAQ off 10, S&P's off 8.5. Gold contract down $7.60, trading at $1,099 an ounce. Silver up 2 cents at $14.78 an ounce. Copper $2.47 a pound. Light sweet crude up 48 cents at $50.92 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year up 10 ticks, 126.07. 30 up 21 ticks at 152.13. King dollar down 716 ticks at 97.44. That baby came down with volume. King dollar wants to go test the 93.50 area. Euro up 112 at 109.37, and the yen down 33 at 123.93. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Instead of the world of the S&P first, folks, we're going to go through these numbers because they're all out and they're all over the place. Microsoft first. Microsoft closed at $47.27. It's trading at $46.89, so it's down about 30 cents. No big deal. Here's the numbers on Microsoft. The estimate was 58 cents. They made 62. Bottom line, made the number. Is it helping the equity? Nope, not helping the equity. It's going to be a flat market there. Yahoo. We're going to take a look at Yahoo. Yahoo come out with numbers. Yahoo closed at $39 and... Let me pull this one up for you. Watch. Yahoo closed at $39.73. Yahoo is trading at $39.75, so that's trading flat. Numbers like this. Numbers go like this on Yahoo. Estimate was 19 cents. They made 16. Pretty cool. They beat on revenue. It still looks like they're trading flat. They are. They're trading flat. They're not trading down. CMG, Chipotle closed at, oh man, this one. Ooh, baby. Hope you don't own this one. This one closed, folks, at $6.73. It's trading at $6.21. That is a beaten extraordinaire, so this is a highly volatile stock anyway. Oh, look at this, a 3-gap play down. Whoa, you got to look at this one. Okay, so we'll pull this over here, put this on a daily. Man, this is a classic. So check this out. You talk about a classic of a patent setup. Man, oh man. So Chipotle, folks, was $7.26 in February. It gaps down on numbers to $6.86. It goes down to $6.47, goes all the way back and tries to get into the gap again at $6.99 at the last earnings number, gaps down again. Well, listen, man, this is sick. So it gaps down then to $6.35, and guess what? We came all the way up from the $5.97, trying to fill the gap once again at $6.81. It hit $6.81 last week, and now, of course, what are you doing? You're going to go blow out that bottom. You're down $50, and it's going to go after the last swing point out here, which was the 600 level. So it's a big number. There's no two ways about that. Pretty amazing, actually. GPRO. Let's go take a look at GoPro and see how GoPro is setting up right now. GoPro. There she is. 1 second. Whoops. Okay, so GoPro closed at 62 GP. This is trading at about the $60 level right now. Yeah, $59.29. Numbers go like this on GoPro. Their revenue is $419 million. Their estimate was 26 cents. They made 35 cents. Bottom line is that you need better than that for GoPro to get to higher price. That's what this really, baby, comes down to. So what has that done with the futures? And what's going to be intriguing, of course, okay, the big number that's going to be coming out is Apple. Apple, they always seem, well, I believe they come out at 4:30. That's how Apple shakes and bakes it. Okay, so now let's go over and do the S&P. We take a look at the cash S&P. What we had with the S&P is this. S&P, yes, cash S&P yesterday failed on price, on volume. That failure was not the high, it was the second swing high, which was on the 27th of June. So, bottom line, we pull back today. Now, the difference here, and this is where it's going to get interesting to see where Apple comes out. This pullback on the S&P was on light volume. Inside the NYSE, okay, you had some juice come down, but it's still pretty light. It was 780 million shares. What was taken apart the Dow Industrials today was United Technologies. That was down 770, and IBM was down 1015. IBM was at 163. That baby is going to be charging into lower price, and I expect lower price in an extraordinary way. So we'll see where that whole baby does shake out. ISRG. RG. And this is Intuitive Surgical. Intuitive Surgical. There we go. ISRG. Intuitive Surgical closed at a price point of $505. That's trading up $31. That was up $7 today. That's trading up another $39. The numbers on Intuitive Surgical go like this. Their revenue is up 14%, $586 million. So the estimate was $564 million. They made $586. Their earnings per share, the estimate was $3.99. They made $4.57. So there's the yin and the yang out of it. When you go take a look at Intuitive Surgical, and this is no doubt a personality stock extraordinaire. This came down off the high of 559. Bottom line, it looks like it's going to go right after it again, right? Yeah, we did 541. More than likely, you're going to see that baby go right after it again. Now, internally, we were talking about the NQs before the close. Bottom line, NQs right now, they'll be closing in another minute, but they're down $5 right now, okay? So all in all, the NQs were basically screaming that they wanted a lower price. So we'll see. What does happen is that once the NQs close, you're going to have Apple come out with numbers at 4:30, and then it's going to be about another 35 minutes before they open back up again. So all those trades are on the table right now. We'll see where that shakes out in the next 14 minutes. Dow finished down 181, NASDAQ off 10, S&P's off 8.5. We're going to be right back, folks. Stay right there.